Hello guys, this is RAJ Athare, a business analyst. So equal, round, then start the bracket A2, then comma, then you add a 0 because there is a round, and then complete the bracket and hit the enter. You can see the value. You can use the formula equal round, then start the bracket, then use A2 column and then comma, add 1, type 1, and then complete the bracket. You can hit enter. You can see there is a 150.29 is getting a 150.3. Okay, so this is the use. There is a formula equal ceiling.math, then bracket start, then we click A2, then comma 3. Why we use 3? Because of there is a close number or next number in integer, okay, positive number. Then we complete the bracket and hit enter. You can see the result. Okay guys, now we get to the F column. See the flow. What is the formula? Equal flow.math, then bracket A2 comma 3 and close the bracket, okay, and hit enter. You can see 150.9 150.29 is getting a 150 round number, okay, so it is get a close now closing the number, okay, and you can see the all getting the f2 to f6 drag the number and you can see all value. Hope you understand guys for the three mathematical function round, ceiling, floor. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.